Bitcoin traders now agree 65,000 is key Bitcoin resistance to beat. Let's jump right in. So the Bitcoin price action is looking very bullish into the weekly close. Data from Cointelegraph, Market Pro, and TradingView show Bitcoin action coming full circle from the daily open after hitting new 3-week highs of 64,121 on Bitstamp. The S&P 500, which set a new all-time high on the back of a jumbo interest rate cut by the Federal Reserve on September 18th. Now, gold saw some growth, 1% on the day of the time of making this article. So now we have people reacting to this. Roman on X is saying this. We're definitely going to see some sideways action for the next few days. And I foresee that actually happening because, look, yes, we had an interest rate cut. But the thing is that that's not going to be the driving factor to make Bitcoin go to 65,000 and beyond. There has to be more to the story. So as we talked about before, we have a U.S. presidential election that's happening very soon, November 4th. So there's a lot of uncertainty in the market. Now, we could see some volatility to the upside. To the downside, that's the likely scenario. But to the upside, I don't foresee it happening because we need to see who becomes the president of the United States. Now, in the event that, let's say, we don't know who the president is on the day of November 4th, we're definitely going to see some price action to the downside, all right, because of the uncertainty in the market. And we saw a lot of hedge fund managers talk openly about their concerns with Kamala Harris's policies pertaining to the economy. So we got to take that under consideration. And we know that Bitcoin is going to definitely do well, but in my opinion, it's not going to do great this year. November, a lot of volatility to the downside, but over time, going into 2025, we'll definitely see price recovery and new all-time highs for Bitcoin. So that's all I have to say right now. Hope to see you in another video.